Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ameboupdate, and as it is hot, I carry better to come today. And this one a very quick updates wey be say on top BBNaija matter season 7, housemates don dey do their task, and the task wey dem get today na Dano milk dey sponsor am. And based on the matter wey dey sup and everything wey dey happen inside the house, the task wey dem get na to narrate some kind stories of how they take get to one point in their life where them almost give up, but with determination and everything still continue to push forward, you know. And Hermes will be head of house now, the first person will big say now you go start the storytelling, and here na Hermes part, and e dey really touchy, just like some of the housemates too, where they really emotional as them they talk their life story. We go remember sometimes say e get when one video circulate say Hermes dey find im mama based on say them carry am go psychiatric hospital make them treat she dey suffer from dementia, and during the process of getting her the medical attention wey she need, somehow they begin find the mama from that psychiatric hospital, and for days them no really see am. And when they come later see am, some people come dey think say na mad she dey mad, but e dey clear, like they make am clear say na dementia she dey suffer from, based on say she dey forget things. So after they see the mama, na in the video come go viral before Hermes come enter the big brother house. So na that event na in use for this dynamic task. I go just play the video make una see as him take do the task. Abeg no forget to drop your comments, like and share this video. If you never subscribe, abeg click on the subscription button. No forget to click that bell icon where you dey see, so that when I drop new updates you go get notification. Thank you.
Despite the impossibility of our task, persistence became nothing but the only choice. For 5 full, heart-wrecking days, we looked for my mom. No government agency to help, the establishment denying every right and everything that he had to do with it, nobody to run to. All of this was the case. Impossible. But from inside, an inner strength, with nothing to inform it. This, like many other impossibilities, of things that can be made possible if only you would go for it. Thank you. I'll listen.